everyone, it's Melissa and welcome back to my channel. On this tutorial, we will be making a bracelet using soft flex wire and a few beads from my collection, as well as this beautiful Czech glass strand that I claimed from the soft flex company live sale. It was in one of the bead mixes. And the Soft Flex Company live sales are most Thursdays at 1 p.m. Pacific. They are fantastic. Highly recommend them. There's so many wonderful goodies and so many creative ideas that are shared during that live sale. And I'm using this beautiful little opalite heart. I just think it would really fit with the beautiful AB finishes of the beads. And these little Czech glass fire polish were from one of the bead strands from a Softflex company kit. And before we start creating, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It helps my little channel grow. I'm trying to reach my goal of 1,000 subscribers. And also down below in the description, I will leave a link for the Softlex Company live sales, as well as a bracelet tutorial playlist. Let's start creating. So this strand is just so beautiful, but I just want to add a few more things to it. So I'm going to put the beautiful opalite heart in the center and then just kind of add in these little Czech glass fire polish and these little purple seed beads as well. So we're going to change up our design just a little bit. I'm going to add in the beautiful opalite heart. I'm going to put a spacing of 2 seed beads on each side of the heart. And then one of the beautiful little clear beads. And then I'm going to do the same thing on the other side of this barrel bead. So I'm going to work on the spool, and this just acts as a bead stopper so my beads don't slide off the other end. So we're doing basic bead stringing. I had a few ideas for this strand, but it was so beautiful. I didn't really want to go away too much from the original design. Just love the two-tone color. It's like the matte AB finish. We're going to add on one of our little clear beads. What I love about the lighter color beads is that the soft flex wire shows through them. So it just really adds to the design, and you can see the purple amethyst. We're going to pick up 2 of our little seed beads. And soft flex also acts as a needle, so you don't have to pick up these little beads with your fingers. We'll add on our oval bead. So we have all the beads added on. Now we're going to attach our 2x2s. So we're going to slide 1 2x2 on one side of your soft flex wire. And we're going to loop back through that 2x2. This is going to create a little loop and a connection point where we can add our clasp. We're going to take our pliers and give it a squish. I'm going to rotate, and this is going to round my 2x2 and give it a more professional finish. And we have just a little bit of a tail and extra soft flex wire. So I'm just going to take my pliers and trim off the extra soft flex. Now we do have a lot of soft flex on this side, so I'm just going to slide my bracelet down and cut a good workable length of soft flex from my spool. I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. Add on that 2x2 and pass back through. We want to make sure that our loops are fairly the same size. They don't have to be perfect. We're going to take our pliers and just give it a squish and rotate. Then we're going to trim off any extra soft flex wire we have. We have a beautiful bracelet. Now you could attach your clasp directly to your bracelet if you wanted to. I like to attach mine to jump rings. A couple reasons. If I ever want to switch out my clasp in the future, I don't have to restring my whole project. And also, if I need to make it bigger or maybe I want to make it into an anklet, I could just attach some more jump rings or a piece of chain without having to restring the project. So we're going to take a 6 millimeter jump ring and I'm going to attach my clasp. I am using a lobster claw. I'm going to add it to my soft flex wire and give it a close. You'll hear a little click and you'll know your jump ring is secure. We're going to do the same thing on the other side. If you are using a two-part clasp, such as a toggle, you would just attach one side of your clasp to each open jump ring. And just to make it a little bit more adjustable, I'm going to add another 6 millimeter jump ring. And you can always add like a little charm or maybe another opalite heart and make it like a little charm bracelet. So we have our beautiful bracelet with bead stringing on soft flex wire with the beautiful purple amethyst and our beautiful Czech glass with our opalite heart. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It helps my little channel grow. And check out down below in the description for more inspiration and tutorials on bracelets. Have an awesome day.